Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing how we created this story corner in Mila's room. So first I'll share a before photo, and you may have already seen what it looked like before in some of my cleaning videos, and then I'm going to share her reaction to the story corner, but that is without the canopy because it took me so long to get around to making it. So we did everything else other than the canopy and showed it to her, got her reaction. And then I'm also going to share how I made the canopy as well, because I made it by myself and it was quite simple, easy and cheap to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. Think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight.
What's this? What's this?
What is this?
Do you like it?
Everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow.
Okay. Do you want to sit and read a story? This is your new story corner.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
So I've got a curtain, an embroidery hoop and an artificial flower garland, and the only other things I will need is scissors, string or ribbon and a hook to hang it up.
Your love. What if
Okay, so the first thing I do is I am unscrewing the embroidery hoop and then threading the curtain all the way around, and then I will screw it back in.
your heart? Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your.
To get the flowers on, you could use a glue gun, and I do have one, but to be honest I just couldn't be bothered to get it out, so I thought I would just tie it on the flowers. So at the front there I'm just tying one piece of string, well it's a bit of ribbon actually, so I'm just tying that bit on, and then to tie it on all around the edges I'm just cutting a little hole in the side, and then I'm going to thread the ribbon through so that it can be tied on.
I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
Then I just cut two pieces of ribbon the same length, and I am tying them on sort of in like a crisscross shape so that the middle part will hang on the hook. So I did have to like keep redoing it a few times to make sure it was in the middle, so they were exactly the same. And this is what it turned out like in the end.
Dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming of you, dreaming.
And here we have Mila's finished story corner, and we've gone for sort of like a woodlandy kind of theme. She loves roses, so we got that little plant from IKEA which she loves, and then obviously there's the flowers around the canopy, and then this little rug is like meant to be like grass, and then it's like a little log fire and some little log cushions and leaf cushions, and yeah, she loves it and we do too. I think these flowers are really good quality as well.
Dreaming of you.
I also added some little star lights so that when it's nighttime it looks really pretty. I have turned the lights off and closed the curtains, but it's quite bright out, so it does look better when it's dark. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that I put some little starlights on there as well. Thank you so much for watching this. I really hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you are looking to make your own story corner, I hope that it gave you some good ideas. I'll make sure that I leave a link to everything that we bought in the description box, just in case you're interested. And if you have got any questions, please do leave me a comment. I will get back to you, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!